So y equals x to the fourth times the natural log of x, and the whole thing is raised to the sixth power. So really you have a chain rule right here, because x to the fourth natural logs of x is the inside, and the outside is something to the sixth power. So what you'll do for y prime is you'll say 6 times something to the fifth power, and you'll write down the inside, and then you'll take the derivative, multiply that by the derivative of the inside. And for right now, I'll just call that d dx of the inside. I'm not actually going to take the derivative just yet. I'll do that in the next step. The chain rule portion of this is complete. Now I just have to, again, take this derivative and maybe do some simplification. This derivative, x to the fourth natural logs of x, is a product rule. I'm going to copy paste what I have written down over here. Okay, now I'm going to do the product rule. Product rule being first, derivative of second, plus second, derivative of first. So the first function was x to the fourth. The derivative of the second function, the derivative of the natural log of x, is 1 over x, plus the second function, so natural log of x, times the derivative of the first, so 4x cubed. Let's simplify that down. X to the fourth times 1 over x is x cubed. And then we have 4x cubed natural logs of x. Just to make this, really this answer is fine just the way it is. I will right here, see this is to the first power. I will pull out a GCF of x cubed, and I'll put it up here with the 6. And when I pull out that GCF of x cubed, I would be left with 1 plus 4 natural logs of x. But really, either of those answers are good.